We all have the power to save energy, and income-qualified rebates from Focus on Energy help more Wisconsinites enjoy the benefits. Customers who qualify receive higher rebate amounts to put toward energy-saving home improvements like heating and cooling equipment, or insulation and air sealing. For projects such as replacing a furnace, these increased rebates can save customers hundreds of extra dollars compared to our standard offerings. These higher rebates are based on household income and accessible for those on tight budgets. This saves on energy costs and improves your home's health and your comfort. To apply for income-qualified rebates, we encourage you to become pre-approved before starting your projects. Please follow these steps. First, check our website to see what home improvements are eligible for income-qualified rebates and if you meet the household income requirements. Then, fully complete and sign the income eligibility application form. You can do this online or download the application. There are 3 ways to verify your income on the application. Please choose one. For the direct option, you can simply provide documentation of other income-based programs you're already enrolled in. If the program is not listed on our application, give us a call at 855-339-8866 and we can most likely add it. For the express option, submit a copy of your most recent tax form 1040 and Schedule 1, along with any other income types for each household member who makes an income. Other income types include veterans benefits, workers' compensation, and receive child support. For the non-express option, submit 30 days of income documentation for each working member of your household. If your household currently has no income, you will need to fill out a zero income form to be processed. Once you have chosen one of these 3 options to verify your income, collect all required documentation and submit. After processing, we will send an approval notification letting you know if you are eligible so you can move forward and save extra on your home energy improvements. Ready to get started with income-qualified rebates? We're here for you. Visit focusonenergy.com/income for more details.